Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sushmiya, Senior Physiotherapist at Gaman Health Center. Today I am here with Dr. Priyadarshini Garu, our Chief Consultant Nutritionist, Gaman Health Center, to talk to you about dysphagia, a swallowing disorder quite commonly seen in many of the health conditions. Hello madam.
Hi.
Madam, in this modern era, the incidence of young strokes is increased very much many-fold as compared to older generation.
Yes, sir.
So, in such cases, what would be the dietary plan you would recommend in cases of young strokes and if complicated by dysphagia?
Young stroke patients, they have to do lifestyle modifications, and if any young patient like suffering with stroke and dysphagia and all, definitely they are having like one type of depression and more stress is there on them. So we have to motivate them. Psychological counseling we have to do. So according to that, we have to same all past history, present history and all. According to height and weight, we have to calculate the calories and protein, and we advise them. But if I encourage them, we won't tell much restrictions to them. Don't eat this, that and all. According to their convenient only, their likes only, we plan a diet and we encourage them to eat. But for them also small quantity more times according to their likes and dislikes.
Okay, in case of dysphagia.
In case of dysphagia, without dysphagia, for them no restriction, but more amount of vegetables and fruits should be there, because fruits and vegetables good source of vitamin C. So vitamin C also helps to reduce the stress levels, and yogurt, dark chocolate and all, it will helps to reduce the stress factor, and along with good amount of protein should be there, and they have to cut down.
And obviously higher nutrient calories are required in order
higher intake, but not for everyone. Like obese people, not that much recommendation. So normal people according to height, weight is like a 25 kilocalories per kg body weight. Underweight people, they require more calories, 30 to 35 we can advise them. Kilocalories per kg body weight, 1.5 to 2 grams per kg body weight we can advise them.
Okay.
If a plant protein, for them like any dal, legumes, or make sure that every day one item should be there in their diet regularly, and one fruit per day should be there, and at least 2 to 3 liters of water intake should be there, and milk and milk products minimum half liter per day we recommend them. But whoever is having like a dysphagia with young stroke patients, we have to encourage them definitely, and most important thing that family support is required for them, and with patience they have to tell them to eat more.
Okay. And obviously, in order to get back to their near normal life, they need more number of nutrient requirements, higher functional demands.
We can prevent the deficiencies.
Yes. So for that, they need higher dietary recommendation according to meet their requirements.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.